Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So today is Mercedes A-Class A180d. So we need to replace a seat belt buckle. Is that one? Just located there. So let's see how we change it here. That's the problem, is a front right malfunctions. Consult workshop. Yeah, yes guys, so first of all we need to take out the seat, driver side seat. So they have 4 bolts just right there. One is there, 2 at the back. Oh, we need the TX50. We need TX50 to remove the first 2 bolts. Can't see. So now we go back. Here is 2 bolts. One is there, one is there. We need just E12. So yeah guys, we open 4 of them. So just now time to remove the seat. Let's see. So guys, before removal, you see the clips. You just unplug. We just remove this clip from here like that. After that, we unplug this yellow grip. You can see there is a 2 lock. One is right and one is the left. One is there, one is there. We just push inside and pop out here. Like this. And now your seat is free. Just remove your seat. Here guys, you see the buckle. Here's the buckle is plugged with the T4E bolts, and the wires goes there, just in the yellow grip here. We first remove the grip and we take out the plug. Yes guys, so there is the buckle grip. So we need to remove that grip. Here is 2 lock. One is there and one is there. So yeah guys, unplug the grip, I take it out. So just twice gone there. So yeah guys, look, here's the wire. It's T40. Yeah, that's the T40. Oh, that's good. So let's read. Remove that bolt. Is there? Here's the old part. Yeah guys, there's a new part. So guys, here's a new part. I just plug in back. So yes guys, I put back everything to their places. Here's the yellow grip. So now time to put back the seat inside the car. And let's see. Just plug back. So here I put back the seat. So now we just put back the bolts, just 4 bolts, and let's see the code. So here's I put back 4 bolts. Now seat is good to go. So let's see. I just put back these covers. So yeah, I put back the cover. So now it's good to go. Let's check the seat is moving properly or not. Yeah. So guys, I do test drive. So there is no fault code. There is no message in the cluster panel. As you see, so we're good to go.